MetaTrader4 winning strategy. This strategy is strictly meant for MetaTrader4 and not MetaTrader5. You cannot use this on the right platform. This is strictly meant for MT4 and not MT5. Neither can you use this on your phone except you use Forex VPS so that you'll be able to check what is going on through your mobile phone. Make sure you register with regulated Forex brokers. Check them out if they are registered or regulated in your zone before you go ahead to open an account with any Forex brokers. You can easily check them out by typing their name into Google search bar and put scam or scammer in front of their name. You see a lot of useful information concerning any Forex brokers you want to register with. Make sure you trade on regulated Forex brokers, and after you've done that, open a demo account on the regulated Forex brokers and try out your strategy on demo account before you go live. Either paid strategy or free Forex strategy, paid Forex indicator or free Forex indicator, paid Forex signal or free Forex signals. This strategy can be used on any pairs. You can use it on Forex pair like Euro USD, Great Britain Pounds USD, USD Canadian dollar, USD Japanese yen, Great Britain Pounds Japanese yen, as many Forex pair you have on your MT4. This can be used on metal like gold, silver, palladium, and others metal that you have on your MT4. This can be used on indices like US 30, US 100, Nasdaq, UK 10, and the rest. And this can be used to trade stocks like Amazon stock, Facebook stocks, Google stocks, Tesla stocks, and the rest. This can be used to trade cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and every other pairs of cryptocurrency that you have on your MT4 like BTC USD, BTC Euro, ETH USD, ETH Euro, and the likes. Just make sure you check them out before you go live. Make sure you practice this strategy on your demo account before you go ahead. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. The download link to all the indicators I use for this particular strategy is in the video description. Make sure you check it out and download it. Now let me show you how to use these simple indicators that I've combined together for your use. The first thing you have to look at is this particular indicator here. We have sell signal here generated, we have buy generated here, and the trend is telling us the trend there is down, so it is not advisable to take any buy signal set up for now. So we have this arrow that does not repaint, and on the indicator window I have a TDI indicator, which is a useful indicator to trade profitably on regulated Forex brokers. It is important that you trade on regulated Forex brokers and check every Forex pairs and check out their spread, because the spread do differ from brokers to brokers. Now when you see the arrow here for a buy, you check TDI indicator. If the two lines are above the yellow line, then you can place your trade, and for sell the two line must be below the yellow line. The only trade you are going to take is sell and not buy. This particular strategy can be used on any pair and on any time frame you want to trade. Just make sure you check it out. Now here is it on 15 minutes, and we have it here on 1 hour. Here is it on D1 on daily. Here is it on 5 minutes. The methodology still remains the same. So if you want to use it on lower time frame, just check higher time frame, and on higher time frame here we have a sell signal generated. So the only thing you go and do on the lower time frame is to trade in the direction of the longer time, which is H1 in this case, and you go to 15 minutes, you only take a sell trade. on 15 minutes, and if it's on 5 minutes, you only do the same thing, only take the sell trade or the sell signal generated by this indicator, and it did deliver. You are not going to take this by a signal generated here. This is invalid. So this is how to use this particular strategy. Now let's check it on other pairs. It's still the same methodology, and this does not repaint, so it is accurate. Make sure you check it out. This USD Japanese yen, this Great Britain pounds Japanese yen, this is CAD/JPY. So you can use it on any time frame you want to trade. And here is it on indices. Here we have it on gold, and here we have it on Nasdaq. So it is accurate. Make sure you check it out and trade it. Now let me show you all the indicators I use for this particular strategy. Just make sure you trade and let all the two indicators be in agreement before you take your trade, as we have it here. Now let me show you all the indicators I use for this particular winning strategy on MetaTrader4 and on regulated forex brokers. And let me show you the setting. I use a Kinashi indicator, just the candle, the red and the white candle, and the symbol changer, just to watch few forex pairs. And this indicator, BSB indicator, these are the values. Just make sure you pause the video or you use my template and set it up. And the TDR indicator on the indicator window. I only change few things. You can pause the video or use my template. Before you go ahead to trade on any forex brokers, make sure you check Forex Factory to see if there's any news that might affect your technical analysis. Check any forex news aggregator. It is not compulsory you use a Forex Factory, but I do use Forex Factory. Make sure you check forex news aggregator to see if there's any news that may likely affect your analysis before you go ahead to place your trade. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. It is important that you trade on regulated forex brokers. Check them out if they are regulated in your area before you go ahead to deposit your hard-earned money. Do not waste your time, your effort trading on any forex platform that is not regulated. Trade with regulated forex platform and make sure you follow money management. No strategy is 100% accurate. Follow money management as you trade. The download links to all the indicators I use for this particular strategy is in the video description. Make sure you check it out and download it. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so and give me a thumb up. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader Joe, and bye for now.